Hi, my name is Raquel Rivera, who's authored 5 books for children and young adults. I'm also a teaching artist with the ArtistsInspire Grant program. And this means that I get to work with teachers and their students in terms of finding their own creative voices and sharing my professional knowledge and skill with them. My goal, I have 2 goals. And the first goal is to inspire students to put down their unique voices onto the paper. And that's because basically I believe that if you can speak, you can write. And also when we do write down our ideas, uh, we actually refine them and articulate them. And writing, I believe, makes us think better. So that's important to me to try to get across to young folks, and also the excitement of actually being able to express yourself in a way that's convincing, and that it's good for ourselves, and it's good for making better connections with other people. So that's my first primary goal, but I have another goal when I go in through ArtistsInspire, is to engage with teachers to create an experience that's helpful to them. The questions I ask will be like, is there something that you need? Is there some way I can support what you're doing with the class already? And in that way, you know, certainly the kids get something out of it. Hopefully the teachers get something out of it, and definitely I get something out of it from the exchange. You know, everybody's bringing their own skill set to the table, basically. So it's kind of an exchange, a creative experience in support of whatever the teacher's curricular needs may be. So in those 2 ways, I think that basically uh, we can do anything together, you know, as the 3 kind of different, coming from the 3 approaches. With you have the professional teacher, you have the professional artist, and you have the professional students. And we can accomplish anything, basically. The list of possibilities is endless. In terms of literary arts, I've helped an elementary school teacher prepare her kids for the upcoming Black History Month. I've helped a high school teacher present a segment on graphic novels for his ELA students. Working with some very advanced ELA students in another school, we developed a writing and art online magazine together. So it's just a way of bringing a window for the kids of like, these are, you know, the artists with ArtistsInspire, they're professionals working in their field. And it's just a wonderful window to bring to kids who are in school working.